It's your boy ACG in the building. You already know what it is. Hey, I'm happy today because something just came in the mail. Something nice just came in the mail. Something very goldish came in the mail. You feel me? You feel me? Today we're gonna be unboxing the Line LLC threaded barrel, recoil spring, and thread protector. And also they threw in another, if y'all can see that. I'm gonna take them all out of the packages so y'all can see them better. So let's get right into it. So the parts came in like this little black package or whatever. What? Like, why y'all love freak? These the packages they be sending out for the, freak ass. On the inside, it came with the barrel. Let's take this out. Boom. Came with the recoil spring. And this got a, let me zoom y'all in, bro. Came with the leg line off the threaded barrel. And this is Princess Peach, so this look like the go-to they be going down in. So that's why I really had to get this, because to go along with the theme. This the recoil spring. Boom. Got gold on the tip to match that. Yeah, you already know. The thread protector to go on the end of the threaded barrel, which I already have a threaded barrel, so it's really not that big of an upgrade in that sense. I still could switch back to that one and throw a can on that too. If I really wanted to, I could just run either or, how I'm feeling today. You feel me? If I'm feeling goldish, we running these. Then they gave me another striker fire guide, stainless steel one, but we already have one, so we're gonna save that. We gonna put these in and let's get it. We're gonna start off by taking a slide off the handgun. I do have the stainless steel already in there, it's not yellow. So we're gonna take this out, unthread the threaded barrel. Take that out. Then we gonna reverse order of how we just did that. Well, first we gonna oil these things up, cause you ain't trying to, you feel me, dry out your pistol. So I got some CLP all in one spray. Just gonna spray a little bit on there, clean it off, and then, cause these machines do leave residue, so I'm gonna clean it off and then oil it back up and throw the things back in there. Clean these things. Boom, boom, boom. Clean it. Take the oil off. Then go back. Reapply. Just with a little thin layer. That should be good. Now we on to the barrel. So same thing. Boom. And it also looks non-ashy now too. So then we're gonna just put a little thin little coat of oil on this. Boom. Don't need too much, you feel me? Now we done with that, we gonna go back in. So barrel first, then we drop this in there. Make sure it's resting like that. And as we say here on the ACG channel, first notch you mean, second notch you green. Always remember that. Make sure it's centered. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, okay, okay. This is what it looks like from that yeah off the ass. Yeah! Now got my hands all oily and stuff. Oh. And it comes with an O-ring, so don't lose your O-ring. Throw the O-ring on, and then throw the third protector on. Now from before, and now after. And then we gonna get rid of this sight soon. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that right now. We about to take this sight off, because I'm done with it. It's over. We got a new look for Princess Peach. And her tiara has to come off because she's getting it on. I was trying to wait till I actually got it, but might as well just take it off. And we back. Alright, so we're gonna take the frame. Take the, oh, would y'all look at that? Hold on. Let me give y'all a close up of the interior work on. Oh my god. Oh my god. But yeah, I'll be right back. We about to take this sight off. Bye y'all. Boom. Check that out. Swingy. I'm gonna just leave this here. And then look how it spirals on the side of the barrel. How it goes down and spiral into the, you feel me? Yes, this is from Lakeline. Uh-oh. Yes, this is from Lakeline. You hear me? Sheesh. At the end of the recoil spring, it has a gold tip. We will be going to the range with this to see if it functions all set. This is what it looks like with the mag in. We are going to the range to see if this runs good, because with Lakeline product, there have been some issues in the past with them, so I just want to make sure it's 100% still running. So we will be going to the range to see how it runs. If y'all skipped ahead in the video to see what it looks like in the end, yes, I did take the sight off from the beginning. Now go back and watch it. To me, oh my god. This is the Princess Peach V1 build, and it's not even all of V1. Still got a front sight optic, a fiber optic sight for the front. There are different sizes of the high sight, so I gotta see if that one co-witnesses with the back sight, because right now it's blacked out. But once I add that front fiber optic sight, I'll be seeing good. Straight down the middle, and it's green, so with the laser it's gonna go well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below nugget. So go ahead and comment that down in the description. Comment that down. Go ahead and comment that. Well, that concludes the unboxing of the Lakeline Industry Gold Toro pack. I'm gonna just call it that because this was the Toro option. It came with all the things you've seen and that I've installed. It came all in one set. So Lakeline, sponsor me. All right, y'all. Deuce. Here we go.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.